What's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Jaden. So today we are back to Proton Inspira. But what are we going to do today? We are going to change the air cabin filter. This one. So let me show you how does it look like inside. Ta-da! This is it. This is how your air cabin filter look like. So what is the function of this? So you have heard of engine air filter, right? So the one located in the airbox in the engine. Okay? That helps you to filter the wind coming into the engine. It removes all the dust, all the contaminant, things like that. Okay? But this air cabin filter is to filter the air going inside into the interior of your car. It's like filtering the air coming in to the aircon before entering your car. So it removes all the dust, contaminant, maybe some bugs, dead insects, things like that. Okay, so that you don't feel any bad smell when you are operating the air conditioner. And we are going to change this right away. I'm going to show you step by step on how you can change it without the need of spending a dime on the labor cost. I bought this from Shopee. It's an OEM product, so it costs around I think 15 to 20 bucks only. So how often do you need to change it? For me, I will change it every 10k to 20k kilometer mileage because it's cheap and it helps you to filter the air coming into your car when you're driving. So I think it will affect your health if you don't change it. Okay. So where can you find the box of the air cabin filter? Okay, it is actually located in the drawer. Okay, so you need to remove this drawer, okay, in order for you to see the box where you can enter the filter. Okay, so there's only two steps. Okay, two simple steps where you can remove the drawer. Okay, first step, open up the drawer. Okay, second step, look at this latch here. Okay, second step, remove the latch. You just pull it, just like that. Okay, remove the latch. The third step is here. Okay, because there's one shape here hanging onto the drawer side. Okay, so you need to press it and drop it down. Okay, press it and drop it down. Same goes for the other side. So you just pull it, like that. That's it. Okay, that way you can remove the drawer already. So the structure looks like this. Okay, it will hang towards the side. So you need to push it in order to remove it. Okay, so this is where the air cabin filter is located. Okay, so how do you open it? Look at the side. Okay, there's two plugs here, so you just pull. Okay, look at the plug. Okay, so you just pull it. Okay, you can use two hands or one hand. One hand will be harder. Just like that. Okay, so the structure is like this. Okay, then this is the old cabin filter. Okay, let me remove it. See. Okay, let me show you how dirty is it. See. Look at that. You see all the stone, leaf. See, all the stone chip inside. Like all the contaminant, dust, all around here. Look at that. How dirty is it? So this is the old one, and this is the new one. Look at how big is the difference. Okay, so change it. Okay, change it. So we have opened up the new one. Okay, you just follow the logo here. Okay, make sure the logo or the words are upside down, and then just put it right there. Follow the logo. Airflow. Tuck it inside, and that's it. Then you repeat the step. You close it. Okay, can't do it with one hand. Okay. So when you are installing back the drawer, okay, there will be two claws here. Okay, there will be two claws here. Make sure you claw them here, left and right. Okay, the left claw insert here, the right claw insert here. Okay, just hang them over there like this. Okay, hang them over there like this. Then just push it. Just push it upwards. Okay, like that. Okay, just push it. That's it. And then the last step, pull the latch. Okay, the last step is to pull the latch and then tuck it. Tuck it back. That's it. Once you have done, then just push it back. Simple. Just like that. Alright, so after looking at the old cabin filter, okay, I think you understand already why do we need to change this often. Okay, it filters out all the contaminant like dust, leaves, maybe dead bugs, okay, before allowing the air to enter into your car. So I think you understand also it affects your health. So that's it for our DIY video of today. Alright, so I hope you enjoy it. If you like it, consider giving me a like. Okay, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you on the next one. Ciao.